Good morning, it's the 28th of July 2023, Friday, and this is my trade plan for today. On my screen at the moment is the MES 1 hour chart. I've tidied up my levels a little bit today, so not as cluttered or busy as it was. So you can see we had yesterday's big sell-off with the Bank of Japan and with their announcement on their interest rates. So today I'm going to be remove some of these areas. Right, so today we are seeing this bit of a bounce back as well, and we've got a few levels I'll line up. We've got this higher risk level at 4600, and that is going to be a higher risk bounce, a psychological number, but it is an area of interest as well. And on our sell off we pulled back to that area. There's a break and retest, so maybe today we're going to see another maybe a rejection in that area, so that's an area to keep an eye on. I'll be getting in on this with a half size only, and then we've got this red area of supply. If we scroll out a bit, so I'll be watching this area here. We've had previous areas of rejection as well, going back to last week and the week before. So, and there's a level which kind of is a little bit higher than this rejection area. This level here I'll be watching for, which is the pullback and retest of yesterday. So that's an area I'm going to be watching for. This will be at 46.12, and it's an area which we've been watching because it's been areas of previous areas of interest as well. So that's my rejection, higher risk, and my main risk. Obviously, if we get up here, we've got this nice 46.30 area, it's a nice rejection area as well. And if we can get from there yesterday down to there, it's more possible we can get back up there again. So look for bounces. We could have a break and retest of this area, 45.91, and this is basically based on convergence of candles, so tops and bottoms, and we kind of went through it a bit too easy earlier, so maybe it's not in play, but it's an area we can keep an eye on. And then I've got the bottom of yesterday's sell-off, 45.60, as a higher probability bounce. And if we do break below that, we can watch for break and retest. But we've also got 45.48 area, and that goes back to this area over here on the chart. So it's this area, let's get back to my pen. So it's this area here I'm watching for, and again it's an area of selling. You can see the volume profiles giving you a higher concentration of volume at this area as well, so potentially we could pull down for a bounce around here. So to sum up my numbers for the MES or the ES, we've got 45.48 as a bounce, 45.60 for a bounce, a high risk 45.91 area for maybe a bounce and like a retest area, 4600 high risk rejection or a break and retest, and 46.12 as a potential rejection from yesterday. Again, wait for confirmation, and if we do get to the top, 46.30 to 46.34 area. So that's my plan on the MES today. So going looking at SPY, similar, the chart's very similar. So from the top we've got 459 rejection area to 459.50. We've got again this area, potential rejection area at 457.30. Area of supply at 456. So potential higher risk bounce around this area. Higher risk rejection, should I say. And then we've got 452 as a demand area, and if we come back into there, it's also on the 200 moving average as well. So, and we've also in the pre-market bounced off of that perfectly as well. So this is an area to watch out for, 452 to 453. And if we do break down below that, we've got 450.30 and 448.50 area, this area and this area to watch for. Okay, hopefully you have a good day trading, and I will speak to some of you today. Okay, take care.